Happy Sunday, y'all. So I got out of church. I went to the store. I want to show y'all what I picked up. Just a few things. I waited until Sam's had their instant savings so I could save a little money. So here I got the Manny's sausages. They were they going up to $15.98. I got the Lipton soup. I got the Frito chips because I'm gonna make a chili one day. I got wavy Lay's. Y'all hadn't been able to find wavy Lay's, but this didn't come from Sam's. I went to the other store also. I got my son the Irish Spring soap. I was reading, I had seen where somebody had Irish Spring soap in their garden. And so I had actually took and put it in my on my carport, which some of y'all would call a garage, but the carport is open when you park your vehicles. And y'all, I hadn't seen anything crawling out there like I hadn't even seen mosquitoes flying until all of that Irish Spring had dissolved. So now I got to put some out there. And I noticed when it dissolved, it left white residue. So I got that. I got, y'all, I love this Downy. Oh, I got two of the Lay's. Two of those. Also, I got my bath tissue and my paper towels. Now, they wouldn't let me order it online. So I had to actually go in the store and get it. But anyway, not bad. I got my hair, skin, and nails because the one I had expired. I got me some pork and beans because I'm probably going to do a little barbecue. Not a lot. I got the Savoy's dressing to make me a little thing of dirty rice. I got this watermelon at one of our stores here locally, y'all. This watermelon was only $2.99. And these plates right now are $3 off. I remember one time they was as cheap as $9. Now they're $17. But I had $3 off each. So I went ahead and got two from the last for a while. And that is all I have. I just wanted to come on and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers. It's all love over here. If you see something you like, if you got any suggestions about how I can do things better, hey, your voice and your opinion can help me to grow potentially. You know what I'm saying? So I don't take every word of criticism as a negative thing because sometimes it could, it could challenge me to up my levels. So anyway, that's all I have. I just want to stop and say hi. Welcome all my new subscribers and have a fantastic weekend. Much love. Bye.